How to share a Netflix account with friends. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can share your Netflix account with friends, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say you have a Netflix account, you would also like to share them with friends. You have to give them the email and password, so there is no any other way you can actually share your account with your friends unless you share your email and password with them. That is not how Netflix is going to work at all, because what happens is that it is not like YouTube where you can just ask someone's email like Spotify and then you can give access to your family plan or something. That's not how it works. You have to give them the full access to your email and password. Of course, what you can do is after you share with them your account details, you can create separate profiles, up to 5 profiles. So you can tap on the little edit icon here, then you can tap the plus icon to add up to 5 profiles, and each 5 of you can watch from different profiles. So you can create a profile for one of your friends, create a profile for another friend. You can choose to lock them, but as I said, to share the account you need to share the email and the password, and there is no other way just like sharing the email only without the password. That's not how it works. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.